Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you the fastest way and the best way to create your levels in Revit. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to learn how to create your levels and make them aligned like this, both on the right and left, any of the elevation you can see. Alright, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload videos that will teach you how to use Revit and Lumion and 3ds Max, you'll be updated. Okay, without wasting your time, let's get started. And this is a new project. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring this one down to something like 600 mm, which is my floor level. Then I'm going to select this and create similar, and I'm going to pick line instead of drawing. I don't want to draw, so that I want the levels to be on the same alignment. So I'm going to type 150 here to represent my slab, and I'm going to pick that. I will increase this one to 3600, and I'm going to pick the last level. I will reduce it to 150 again and pick this, then take it to 3600 and pick that, then type another 150 and pick that, then type 3600 and place it here. Depends on the number of stories you want to create. Now you can see that this is professionally arranged. You can see the level are on the same alignment, both on the right and left, and that is the best way of creating levels in Revit. Even if I go to any of the elevation now, they are all aligned. Can you see they are all aligned? All right, thank you for watching this video. If this video has helped you, make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be notified that hey, Acting Consult has uploaded another video. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.